Don't miss the real-to-life Jamaican play, Bad Influence, coming to a venue near you soon.
That boy, I don't know nobody. If you drop that boy in and him rubbish down in last, you can play between him and the rubbish. So you could pick up 2 bully beef things in a one pants and believe say him. You are decent somebody. Not even hello, you know, if you say to that boy, it will lower your prestige. Stop chat to the boy.
I want you to know stop talk to you.
No, you know, I've been watching you and I know it's from other day. You are going like this, woman. Try to make your throw box then start on J-U-T-C. Me will make them go in back.
Watch out for Bad Influence.
At this tonight, me get a soup bait soup. Girl, me tell you already say I cannot come.
Yeah, she don't want to catch the man there.
You're still there? No, man. You're not fine. I'm tired of it. No, Petal. Come here. Who you keep encouraging this boy? Making your mind sound like a penny chop up. You saw me, I say?
Hey, Peter, whatever way you go, you're trying to tear my head. And I don't see this still a push up himself. Hey, tell that man shut to scatter.
Bad Influence, coming to a venue near you soon.
Get up, bring it on me, don't
So hold on, you never see a man here drop.
You never see a man here come pray no pan. Go on the boy, you keep telling you, go on the boy.
What? You should have licked me. Let me father get the dust up.
Is that right?
My father is a wicked man.
Is that right?
You should have licked him. How make him father get the dust you? Hey, his father is a wicked man.
Don't miss the real-to-life Jamaican play, Bad Influence, coming to a venue near you soon.
What a way you won't come without us. You know, you give me all the color. Pick me away. Hear me? Hey, you wasn't doing no more than me and you.
Watch out for Bad Influence.
The child of the gentleman's name is Senator, the most honorable Dr. Michael Simpson Miller. That name him is related to Portia. You mean Dr. Bakawai live over your son? Girl, me can tell you something. Not because you see me and your mother come live side of them. That no mean to say that not people. I know some people look. People is like me and you and you. No, but leave your mother out of this. I know some people look like that, but
No man, me inna it, head.
alright, share people for the time. But what I'm saying, you better make sure it's safe. Anytime the police them come and tell them that it's raping.
What is I giving to me?
You give it. What you have to give away, after you. Don't waste your responsibility. Let me tell you something about giving. Any giving a God, I have to be there. And I will instruct as to who to give, when to give, and what proportions to give. And anybody who gets it and is not me authorized it is rape.
Don't miss the real-to-life Jamaican play, Bad Influence, coming to a venue near you soon. Bad Influence.